The research into effective change projects has come up with 4 key reasons why they fail. Failure to see, failure to believe, failure to move, and failure to finish. Now, we've created a model called the Change Champion model, which addresses these 4 areas. You need to know what are the right things to do to create effective change. Effective change, not in the past, but into a future that is so dynamic, so changing, so full of, if you like, noise, that it's hard for people to really feel confident and committed to change. So the first one, the failure to see, is solved by creating a compelling case for change. So we'll show you how to do that, to communicate that, and also to be able to understand the potential derailers of a change process associated with making it easy for people to see what kind of change needs to take place. The second part is the courageous part. People need to not only see the logic of change, they need to believe in you and believe in that process. Cynicism is everywhere in the workplace. So a courageous change project is essential. We need to understand how to do that, but we also have to understand the potential derailers that make people even more cynical, more sensitive to, do you really believe in what you're doing? The third part is capable. And this is about making sure that people are willing to learn, have the structures for doing it, and understand what's required of them from shifting from their old way of doing things into the new way of doing things. Almost every change process is a change in behavior, and understanding what goes wrong here helps you understand, what do I need to overbuild the capabilities that will help change happen. Now, the final part of the 4C model is contagious. Something that's been underestimated in change assessments in the past is, to what extent am I influenced by my peers, by customers, in terms of adopting these new change practices. I run out of energy. I lose track of where I am. It's because the status quo is enormously powerful, holding people back. The status quo almost motivates itself. It's safer to stay where I am. So if we're going to overpower the status quo, we have to create a positive reinforcement of the change project. We call that creating contagious change. So these are the 4 aspects of the Change Champion model. It's about being compelling, about being courageous, it's about creating the capability, and finally creating that positive contagion, that disease that makes people want to be a part of it, that connects people together in a change process.